Hello everybody, welcome to the video. So now that I'm pretty much settled in my new house, I'm going to be doing a video of the fans all individually. And in my bedroom, we have this Monte Carlo Discuss. It sounds a little echoey because there's no furniture in here yet. I'm sleeping in the other bedroom for now until I get my bed over here from the old house. It's in white. I'm gonna replace this fan because I don't like this fan. It's on a 3-speed wall control with a fan and light dimmer. Well, light dimmer. Okay, let's go to low speed. Here's low. Don't know too much about these fans. I did a video of 2 in a kitchen back like around a year ago, I want to say, or a few months ago. I don't care too much for these. Here's medium. Has the fan and light decals on there so you know which chain is which. Okay, let's go to high. It's not all of a fast fan. It's kind of slow. It's pushing off an alright amount of air. I expect better, but you know, it's just a Monte Carlo. Alright. Anyways, thank you guys for watching. See you guys later, and goodbye.